in case any of you were curious what type of pad that I use on my makiwara, I have two different pads that I currently use. The first one has a 1/4-inch piece of flooring in it with 3 strips of leather, and it provides me quite a bit of cushion. It allows me to work on the makiwara for extended periods of time without injury, which is really good. I can hit it from a lot of different angles. I use this as my warm-up pad. I do like it. It is the second pad that I made. The very first makiwara pad that I made currently only has 3 strips of leather in it. It did not start out that way. In fact, I had 2 strips of this floor mat in this one when I first started, and I've graduated, as you were, to just 3 strips of leather. Now, I alternate back and forth when I practice, but there are days when I'll use just this pad. There are days when I'll just use this pad. Also, there'll be days when I bounce back and forth. Just depends on your feeling. I mean, not everybody wants to go 100% all the time. You need to give your body time to rebuild, and if not for, say, for injury, but just, impact over time. Over time, you want to make sure you have a healing process. And then I also have this just rope. It's wrapped around this. I think it is hemp rope. I'll use this for warm-up sometimes, for different striking areas, not just my fists, just light though. And very rarely I will hit this without padding at all. I might hit it a dozen times. Of course, I am still what I would consider the beginning stages of makiwara practice. There are guys out there that have been doing this 40, 50 years, and may be able just to hit it with just a white belt wrapped around it or nothing at all. But that's not me at this point. Maybe one day, maybe I'll be breaking rocks with my fist and whatnot. But anyway, these are my makiwara pads. I did make them myself. They'd only cost me about $20 to make. Got the stuff at craft store. So there you go.